adding whole numbers practice with estimation. Okay, let's start with that first problem. It says to find the sum. Use estimation to verify your answer. So, find the sum. This means I'm going to go ahead and find the exact answer. So I'll go ahead and write out that problem up and down, making sure to line up those digits properly. And I will find that exact answer. 8 plus 8 is 16, so 6 regroup the 1 to the tens place there, so that regroup is really important. 2 plus 6 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, using estimation to check my answer, it doesn't tell me as to what place to round to, so I can choose what place I could round to. I could choose the tens place, or the hundreds place, or even the thousands place. In this case, I'll choose the thousands place to round to. So that 27,208 goes to 27,000. 41,608 goes to 42,000. And I'm still adding those together. And I get 69,000 as my answer there. These two are relatively close to each other. I did take this addend up. This addend went down, but only went down by 208, while this went up by 608. That's why it makes sense that my rounded estimate is larger. Now, for that other problem, we have 976,205 plus 85,209. So I find the exact answer first. 5 plus 9 is 14. Place the 4, regroup the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11, so I have another regroup. A 1, regroup the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 8 is 16. A 6, regroup the 1. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So my answer is 1,061,414. Now my estimate to check my work, again, I get to choose as to what place that I want to round to. In this instance, I'm going to go ahead and round to the thousands. Well, I rounded to the thousands in the other one. So this time I'll round to the 10,000s place. So that first number and that first addend rounds to 980,000. That second addend rounds to 90,000. And again, I went to the 10,000s place. Adding those numbers together carefully. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7, regroup the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. And then so that estimate is 1,070,000. Important when you're rounding here is to round each of those numbers to that same place. So I rounded both of those to the 10,000s place. In the other problem, I had rounded both of those addends to the thousands place. In these two problems, we're just asked to add. That means we're finding an exact answer. We'll start in the ones place. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4, regroup a 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 2 is also 9. And then that 6 comes straight down there because that's 6 plus 0. Again, it's place by place by place, and I do place that comma in my answer. Again, starting in the ones place. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1, I regroup the 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 9 is 10. 0, regroup the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 9 is 12. 2, regroup the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 10, so that's 0, and a regroup of a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, and 9 plus 1 is 10. 1,080,201. So when it just says add, all you do is add. Find the exact answer. For these types of problems, it says to estimate the sum to the 10,000th place. So I'm estimating the sum to the 10,000th place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to round each of those addends to the 10,000th place and then add them. So 478,205 nearest 10,000th place is 480,000. For that next number, 22,609 goes to, for 10,000th place, is 20,000. Some people might need to circle that number and underline so that really know that they're rounding to the appropriate place. And again, it says to add them. So my estimate right there, 500,000. I do not need to figure out that exact answer, nor do I figure out the exact answer then round it. In this case, it's asking me to use this strategy right here in this approach, estimate the sum to the 10,000th place. For that other problem, again, I'll start by rewriting it up and down. I'll make sure to write in that addition sign there. And again, it's asking me the estimate to the 10,000th place. 92,508 to the 10,000th place is 90,000. The other addend, 136,251, nearest 10,000th place is 140,000. And then I can add those numbers together. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3, regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 230,000 is my estimated answer. Some students, they'll end up writing and say, oh, okay, well, this is our answer, so our answer goes here. No, this is the place right here for an exact answer. This here is the estimate, and it said to estimate the sum to the 10,000th place. Some students, when they're given 3 numbers to add together, have a little bit more difficulty. One of the things that you can do is just to take 2 of those numbers to add them together first, and then to go ahead and add that other addend to the sum that you get. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 5,974 is that answer for 5,678 plus 296. I still have to add in the 809, the other addend. 1 plus 7 is 8, 9 plus 8 is 17, 7 regroup the 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So my answer is 6,783. Here's one more of those problems. This time I'm going to go ahead and write all the addends together in one problem. You still need to be very careful to line up those digits properly. And then we still go place by place by place. One's placed first. 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is 8. And then 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 6 is 20. So I place the 0 and regroup the 2. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus another 9 is 18, and then there's a 0 there. So that's still 18. So I place the 8 and regroup the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. So my sum there is 78,028.